Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use WUX files in Cemu. Cemu cannot run WUX files directly, so first you need to decrypt them. To do this, open GWUD tool and enter your WU command key. This will allow the WUX file to be decrypted. After the decryption is complete, you will see several folders created, including code, content, and meta. Now open Cemu on your PC, go to File, and then select Load. Here, navigate to the code folder and select the .rpx file, which is the main game file that Cemu needs to run your game. After that, your game should start running normally. If you want a simple game to appear in your Cemu library for easier access, you can use the meta.xml file. Simply install the game through the file, and it will be added to your library. After that, you can launch it directly from Cemu without opening the .rpx file every time. Remember, decrypting WUX files and running them in Cemu requires the correct WIU command key. If the key is missing or incorrect, the game will not run. Following these steps carefully ensures smooth gameplay. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.